Working with this material was really interesting for me as an artist because it has unique properties. After a lot of experimentation, we ended up with a fully biodegradable artwork. I was inspired by the geometric structures of the surrounding architecture, as well as the sustainability-focused ideology of Glasshouse. This led me to origami and folded shapes because you can create organic curvature using only straight lines. These clouds are referencing the surrounding architecture as well as nature.